Hi, my name is Shashank Misra and I'm a Director of Solution Consulting with Vistaar. I'm delighted to be speaking at the next Professional Pricing Society's virtual summit in the fall. As pricing practitioners, we spend a lot of time thinking about pricing optimization and coming up with the right strategies that drive top and bottom line improvements for our businesses. Yet several of our customers admit they're not effectively using rebate programs. Why is that? After all, rebates can be an important lever to drive buying behavior, not just for end buyers, but also for downstream resellers. That is likely because it can be quite hard to predict what kind of rebate program will get our customers excited and yet provide transparency and positive improvement to our business's KPIs. That's where machine learning comes in. I'm going to be talking about this in a lot of detail, along with some examples of companies that have done a good job with rebate programs by leveraging ML and AI, and also giving you some helpful tips and strategies that might improve your chances for success. I hope you will join me for this talk in the fall. I look forward to seeing you there.